Alright, so here we have two SATA cables that we're going to be using to connect the hard drive and DVD writer. Alright, so here we have the video card that we're going to be using, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on here. Snap that into place, and then screw it on so that it remains secure. So that's secured on there. We're going to attach wireless network card next. Again, all these cards will have these notches on them, and will help you determine how to put it on. Alright, that's good. Next. So we're going to put the hard drive in here. So putting it, you want to make sure that you have these, these connectors on facing the outside, so that you won't have a problem trying to connect the whole thing. Alright, that's secure. So we're going to go ahead and slide this in here. Pull these cables back out. Out of the way. Come together, and just use these thumb screws, a lot easier to deal with, and secure your hard drive in place, or the housing in place. As you can see, while I'm screwing this on, you can see that there's another housing here, and that'll allow you to put another hard drive in there if you wanted to, and that thing will have a fan of its own in the front as well. Put this upright and get on the other side. We can put the screws on the other side as well. Alright, and then now we're going to hook up our DVD drive here while we have it standing up. Slide it in there. And then screw it secure. Back down and just attach the SATA to our hard drive here, and as well as the DVD drive. So now those two things are going to be connected to the motherboard. So these are a lot nicer to use as opposed to having to go with the IDE cable, because those are just a lot bulkier. These are just slim and doesn't take up a lot of space. Alright, and that's that for that part. And then next, and lastly I suppose, we're going to connect the power supply. Alright, so last but not least, I'm putting in the power supply. Alright, and then we're going to connect all our power to where it's needed. It's going to go to the motherboard. This is going to go to the video card. This right here is going to connect the hard drive and the DVD drive. easier to see what I'm doing. Right. Reconnect the DVD drive here. Alright, and then we'll connect all the fans, put some power in the fans. So these will be the back fan and the two front fans. Put it on there. And this will be the fan, this will be the fan on the top. Okay. And it's going to be powering this portion here for the CPU. Alright, so that's it for the power supply. Next we're going to test, make sure it runs. Alright, so for the front panel and the side panel, got the mouse keyboard and attach the monitor. We'll see now if it works. Alright, looking good. All done. So far so good. It already has Windows installed on it, so should go onto Windows if everything worked right. Awesome. You see there? So I guess that's it. I put the power on properly and connected everything properly, and looks like it's working fine.